Hello friends, welcome back. One of the important features of Power BI is a Power Query Editor. Now, a Power Query Editor in Power BI is a data transformation and cleaning tool that allows users to import, transform, and combine data from various sources. It essentially acts as a kitchen for preparing data before it's used in Power BI reports and visualizations. Now, that could be a little complicated at first. So let us try to bring it down to a simple example. Now, let me show you an example of uh, an Excel file. Let me open the Excel file and we'll go to Excel file, which we call it as data cleaning. The name of the file is data cleaning. And now if you see that in this file, we have some data, which is region, product, sales amount, and their comments. Okay. Now what happens normally is when you actually pull this data to Power BI, sometimes you may feel that, hey, I don't want comments because maybe the comments was only for internal team use. I don't want these records. So it's not a good idea to actually just come here and delete it. That's not a good idea because maybe this is the original file and the comments are required. Okay, so let's keep that in mind and I'll close this. Okay, and let's go to Power BI. Okay, now in Power BI, let's go and open the file. As you know how to open the file now, you need to go to the folder and click on data cleaning file and bring it up. Okay. Okay, so we have the data here, and here it will ask you to, of course, select this and then load it. Okay, once you load this, I'm just waiting for it to load. Okay, so now you have the data here, and there are like comments, product, region, and sales, summation of the sales, and all that. Okay, now once you have loaded the file, we'll click on transform data here and let's go to transform data option. Okay, so it is now opening a Power Query Editor. I am sure you are able to see that it is completely looking like Excel, right? Okay, so now here in comments here, let us see if we have an option to delete this comment altogether. So to do that, what we can do is we can right click on this particular uh, comments field and click remove. That's it. Okay, after this we have to just click on, we can just close this and it will ask you whether you want to apply the changes. Say yes. Now what happens, your data is reloaded with the uh, fields, but in this case now product is there, region is there, but there is no comments. Okay, so now if you want to go ahead and do your normal visualization, you can go for the product in uh, you can put it in y-axis actually, and you can take the region and put it in x-axis. Okay, and let us see what we get. So you have got this here, and if you see here, you have got count of products. So this is not a great idea. We will do one thing. I will go back. I will remove the count of product from here. I'll just close it here, and sales amount will bring it here. Okay, like this. Okay, and then if you want product also, we can put it in the legends. So bring it in the legends, yeah, like this. I think now it's fine. Okay, all right, now let's move it to left to give us more screen. So here we have the south region, then we have west region, east region, and north region. Okay, so these are the sum of the sales. Okay, okay, but this is only giving for products. So let us see if this is the right one. I think it is having some problem. Let us go back here, go to data, visualization. I'll remove this product here, and I think sum of sales by region, this is fine. So we cannot have product here, it doesn't agree with the logic. So that is that. So mainly we have understood how to open the transform data and transform data option from here. So please go ahead and practice this, and in the next video we'll explore more about the Power Query. Thank you.